going to make a design that runs from here, a swale around through to where those trees are. So I'll just create a slope through here. So we're just going to pick up a couple of points, and I'll add a point here, and then I'll go through and add a few points all the way along and change their RL focus, and it'll create a line, a poly alignment to follow. What we've done is we've stripped a total of 5 meters from the constructed fill, which is going to be in here. So that line that's 2.5 meters away is the toe of our basin wall. So it'll run down, and then I will create an infield design from the toe of this across up to our 5 meter mark. Because you get designs like this, which is good because you've got all your, you've got the basins and you've got your walls and everything that needs to be in here to build the basin. But you've got the overland flow path, so it's easy just to go through and pick points up and create your infield, because this gully's quite flat through here. It's quite hard to tell on camera. Picked up all my points at a 2.5 meter offset from the edge of design. Come up here to menu, create surface, surface from cross section, and you'll come up here and select where you want to start. So for me, the way the ground's running, I'm going to start uphill and we'll work our way back down. So you come through and just pick up these points that I've added previously, like that, start and end where I've just finished. So you can see that's nice and parallel with the edge. It's a bit of a 3D view of what I've created. So I've picked up our points, and looking at it from a bird's eye view, so looking at it straight down, it's a bit hard to tell. So I've made it just long enough so it laps over from center. So if I come out here and we have a 3D look at this, you can see that I've created the dish with a batter that just laps over top of the existing design. So I've ended up with a 30% percentage on the batters, 2.5 meters long, and 0.6 because I'm going to dig that with my rock bucket, and I know that from the center to the edge my rock bucket's 1200 in total, so if I make it half that, which is 600. And next, this is the design. That's the design all covered in grass the whole way. So I've laid all of this grass on the edge here. It's a bit hard to tell with the grass in it now, but it batters down. There's a flat of 1200, and then it batters back up, and then I've designed that there so that'll just run once this is built up with pumice. That edge will just go straight across and build straight into the top of the basin.